Hello, dear friends. Hope all of you are doing great. Friends, do you feel like you don't or you can't speak enough English? Do you need to learn more words? Then stick around. Today we'll discuss some very essential and easy tips and tricks to get to know how to start speaking in English. First of all, let's discuss how to describe yourself or self-introduction. You know, friends, this is something that is really important, especially at the time of an interview. When you are in front of someone who is interviewing you for a job and asking you to describe yourself, you may find yourself at a loss and get stuck for the accurate vocabulary or description. So these suggestions can help you out. So what are the ways you can use to describe yourself at an interview? Let's discuss. Good day. First, I would like to thank you for this opportunity. My name is Dash. You can tell your name. And I graduated from XYZ University with a degree as mechanical engineer. At present, I am doing an internship as an engineering aide. Besides engineering, I have a great interest in languages. While studying my university course, I also enrolled in weekend and summer ESL classes. It's an extra program, but I wanted to build up a career in international business. So getting proper education where I can develop my fluency in English was very important for me. I believe in positive thinking. I'm a dedicated and hardworking person, and so I'm eager to learn more. So friends, this was a sample to let you know how could you introduce yourself. In the next situation, we'll discuss how to talk about the weather. So certain sentences that you can use. How's the weather today? What's the weather forecast? Wow, what a beautiful day. It's cold and pouring down. Pouring down means raining heavily. So many people are wearing overcoats. Some people are watching the rain and listening to the thunderstorm. What is the temperature like? It's boiling outside. Tomorrow will be misty. Breathe in the fresh air. The heat has made me giddy, and the rain prevented me from going to the office. Now let's talk about directions. Friends, it's very certain that many times people find themselves at a fix when they have to give directions to somebody or when they have to describe some route to someone. So let's discuss some suggestions. For example, if you want to go somewhere and you don't know the way or route, you may ask someone, excuse me, how can I get to the school or museum or college or hospital? Means you need to mention the place. The answer can be, take a left at the corner, drive until you reach the second traffic light. Another question, how long does it take to get there? The answer can be, it will take only 15 minutes. Another situation, excuse me, may I know the way to the nearest pharmacy? Answer can be, yes, you may go straight, turn left and walk 2 blocks. The pharmacy is next to the superstore. One more situation can be, may I get to know the way to the police station? The answer can be, yes, you may turn right, keep going on to the same road. You'll see the hospital in front of you. The police station is between the hospital and gas station. Friends, we'll discuss one more situation. How can we inquire about someone's health? For example, somebody says, "Hello, friend, how are you?" And the friend can answer, "I'm not feeling very well. I have fever since last night. I have tried some remedies, but they didn't turn out fruitful." So you can say, "I think you should consult a doctor and avoid self medication." So this can be a way to inquire about someone's health. Another situation can be, "Hi dear, seen you after a long time. How are things?" And the answer may be, "My mom was unwell. She's been wheezing. Her body is aching and it's making her exhausted." The question can be, "Have you taken her to a doctor?" And the answer, "I have. She's taking the medicines the doctor prescribed her. Hope she'll recover soon." Third and the last situation might be, like somebody can talk, "My throat hurts. It really hurts. I think I'm coming down with cold." So coming down, the phrasal verb means starting to get sick. Starting to get sick. Like, you have a runny nose. Are you coming down with the flu? And another sentence might be, "I'm not feeling well, I think. I'm coming down with fever." So friends, these were the certain ways and situations in which you might have seen the kind of words, expressions, or vocabulary you can use while starting speaking in English language. So I hope these kind of phrases might be helpful to you. Just start using them in your daily language and you'll improve a lot. Thank you very much for watching. Remember me in your prayers. Take care. Bye-bye.